Hello students and welcome to this session on maths, and I'm here before you to supplement your half-yearly preparation for maths in the data handling chapter. And I have handpicked some of the very good questions of NCERT level, which is commonly asked in data handling. I've consolidated all of them at a single place. The questions of the same kind, I have not repeated it. What I have done is I've picked up one questions of each tab as to how to attempt those questions. And I hope that this video will help you in supplementing or in benefiting your preparation for half-yearly examination. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the questions. So the first question is, following the choice of sweets for 30 students of class 6, laddu, barfi, laddu, jalebi, and all that it's given. Arrange the name of the sweets by using tally marks. So how do you do tally marks? So what you can do is you can do laddu if you want to. So laddu, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So 11, how will you do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. So 5 and 5 and 10 and 11. So this way you can do the question, you can select for laddu. So similarly, what you can do is you can select for other ones as well, right? So, and how will you do that? And what will you get? You will get something like this, okay? This is how you'll get. So laddu is 11. So similarly, barfi is 3, jalebi is 5 and 2, 7, and rasgulla is 5 and 4 is 9. Okay, so which sweet is preferred by most of the students? The sweet that is preferred by most of the students is obviously laddu, right? So let's move on to the next question. So this is how you draw a graph by using tally marks. Okay. The number of girl students in each class of a co-ed medical school is depicted by the pictograph. Observe this pictograph and answer the following questions. Which class has the minimum of girl students? So if you can calculate it, you see one picture, one of this face is equal to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 16. And this is half. So it will be 16 plus 2 is 18. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 20. This 1, 2, 3, 12, and 2 is 14. This is 1, 2 and half. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 1, 2, 3, it is 12. And 1 and half, so it will be 6. So which class is the minimum of girl students? You see the minimum of girl students is in class 8. Okay. Is the number of girls in class 6 less than the number of girls in class 5? Class 6 has 16, class 5 is 10, so it is less. No is the answer, obviously. How many girls are there in class 7? So if you see 3 boxes are there, so it is equal to 12. So the value of this is 12. So number of girls in this is 12 students. How many girls are there? There are 12 girls in class 7, right? Let's move on to the next question now. Total number of animals in 5 villages are as follows. Village A and village B and something like this is given. Prepare a pictograph using one symbol of this one to represent 10 animals. So if this I represent it, this will be how much? This will be something like 8 of them. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 of them, right? So this is how I will draw the pictograph. Right? So this is how we'll draw the pictograph. So you can draw it for others as well. Okay, so I'm drawing it for you without without doing it once again. I'm drawing this for you in pictures only. So similarly, you can draw it for village B, village C, village D, village E as well. So let's draw it for you. This is how it will come. Right? This is how it will come. Right? So now A has got A has got 8 of them, B has got 12 of them, C has got 9 of them, D has got 4 of them, E has got 6 of them. How many symbols represent animals of village E? So village E represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which village has the maximum number of animals? So from the graph, you can see the maximum number of animals is in village B, which is 112 pictures are there. Which village has more animals, village A or village C? Village A has got 8 of them, but village C has got 9 of them. So it is village C has more animals. It is 9 animals. Okay. So this is how we present in a pictograph. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. So I think this question, total number of years, it represent 100 students. So this is a wrong question. I guess I picked up the wrong diagram. Let's move on to the next question. Observe this bar graph which shows the marks obtained by Aziz in half-yearly examinations in different subjects. So what information does the bar graph give? Okay, so I have observed, you observe the bar graph here. Now what information does the bar graph give? The bar graph gives the information about the marks obtained by Aziz in different subjects. Name the subject in which this Aziz has scored maximum marks. So if you see, the height of the maximum bar height is for Hindi, and he has got scored 80 marks in that. Name the subject in which he has scored minimum marks. The lowest bar is for social studies, and that he has scored 40 marks. So it is 40 marks. State the name of the subjects and marks obtained in each of them. So Hindi, it is 80. Okay. English, it is 60. If you see this, mathematics, it is 70, right? Science, it is 50. And social studies, it is 40. So this is the answer. So number of subjects is 40. So this is how we draw the bar graph, and this is how we interpret from the bar graph. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Following table shows a number of bicycles manufactured in the factory during the years 1998 to 2002. Illustrate this data using a bar graph. Choose a scale of your choice. So how will you can choose any scale of your choice. Okay. You can do whatever you want to. If you want a bar graph to be something like this, ki one unit has say 100 bicycles, it becomes better, right? Then it will be within your graph paper. Otherwise, it will go outside your graph paper, right? So either you can do like this. See, you can interpret the bar graph like this. Okay, so this is 100, this is 200, this is 300, this is 400, and something like this. So if I say 1998, and this you represent it as years, this is 98, this is 99, this is 2000, similarly 2001, 2002. Like this also you can represent it. Or what you can do is you can represent the years in the y-axis, this axis, and here you can do like this, so that the graph becomes something like this. Okay, so whatever you want to, you can do that. Okay, I am just putting up a sample for you so that it becomes better to understand. Either you can do it horizontally or vertically as well. Okay, so I've done it horizontally over here, right? And this is how you interpret the graph. Now, if you see over here, number in which year were the maximum number of bicycles manufactured. So maximum number of bicycles were manufactured in which year? Maximum number of bicycles were manufactured in 2002. As you can see that the horizontal lines, 2002 horizontal line is the largest. In which year were the minimum number of bicycles manufactured? The minimum number of bicycles were manufactured in 99, because 99, the length of this is the smallest. Okay, so this is how you can do some of the questions of data interpretation. If you want, I can put one more question like this. Let's discuss one more question, and let's put up the question before you. Now, see the graph properly. So I'm putting up the graph here. Number of persons in various age groups is given. Now you have to interpret the graph. Okay. Look at the question. So 1 to 14 is 2 lakhs, 15 to 29 is 1,60,000, 30 to 44 is 1,20,000, 45 to 50, 1,20,000, something like this and above. How do you draw a bar graph? As I always in the previous question, you can draw the bar graph horizontally as well as vertically by putting it properly. So this time I'll do it vertically. Okay. So this time I do it vertically, and let's interpret the graph now properly. Okay. So draw a bar graph. So I've drawn a bar graph for you. 1 to 14 is how much? This one, it is 2 lakhs. So each small axis length is 20,000, because you see each of the numbers is divisible by 20,000. So I have done that. What I've done is, in the vertical axis, I have taken each small ones to be 20,000. So there are 10 of them for the first one, 1 to 14, and similarly for the others. Okay, so which two groups have the same population? You see this group and this group have the same population. So 30 to 44 and 45 to 59 have the same population. Okay, all the persons in the age group of 60 and above are called senior citizens. How many senior citizens are there in the town? So we can say 60 and above. So 60 and above are these two values. So 60 and above, so you add these two values, 80,000 plus 40,000 is how much? 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 is the number of senior citizens in this age group. Okay, so this was your data handling chapter. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this will help you in your preparation. Pause the video at certain places where you don't understand it and do the solution, and then start the video once again. Thank you so much, and hope it will benefit your preparation for half-yearly exam. Happy learning at VMC. Thank you.